How to increase Wi-Fi speed on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up settings. Now go to Wi-Fi. Now tap on the info icon next to your Wi-Fi. Now scroll down, tap on IP settings. Now select static. Again scroll down. Now under DNS2, type 114.114. Again 114.114. Now change DNS1 to 8.8.8.8. Now go back and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.